Hi, I'm Amanda for the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen, and this is the Philips Soup Maker. It's such a fun appliance to have in your kitchen, and you can do cold, you can do hot, pureed, chunky, whatever you like. It even allows you to do milk-based soups and keeps your milk from scalding. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a non-dairy sweet potato soup. So I've got some carrot. It's gonna lend another note of sweetness. I've got some chopped onion, my secret ingredient, turmeric, then sweet potato. And then instead of using traditional dairy, I'm using almond milk. You can see too, there's a min line here and a max line, just so that you have enough liquid in it to cook and be able to puree. We're just gonna give everything a quick stir before I put the lid on. It just clicks right into place. Let me take you through the settings. So let's just select the dairy-based and press the power. It's all gonna cook and then puree itself, and it will be done in under 18 minutes. It's been 18 minutes. Let's take a look at our soup. Oh my gosh, I love this machine. Okay, we're gonna add some salt. Can you see how beautifully pureed this is? Now you can garnish this with anything you like. I'm gonna do some croutons. I'm also gonna do almonds. One of the other features I love on this soup maker is that you can make cold soups. So I'm gonna make a really healthy gazpacho. I'm just gonna put all of my ingredients in. Tomatoes, cucumber. I've also got green pepper, hot red pepper, red onion, lots of garlic. I've got some bread cubes that I'm adding, which is gonna give it this really nice texture. Now about a half a cup of olive oil. I'm gonna add some salt while I wait too, because you're definitely gonna want some seasoning with this to bring out the flavors of all of the produce. And then I've got white vinegar. The acid in the vinegar is really gonna make all of this other produce just sing. Now I'm gonna add some water. Now look how easy this is. I'm just gonna put the lid on, select the smoothie or cold soup function, and press start. I think that took less than a minute. Let's take a look. Let me show you. Now let me just taste for seasoning. Wow, perfect. I'm just gonna pour it into these glasses. I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of cucumber. In under a minute, I have gazpacho. For more soup recipes and to learn more about the Philips Soup Maker, visit us online at williamssonoma.com.